E. Hello kuya, hi to my vlogs, Mahal Aponesa. Ano name mo kuya?
Gerald po, Gerald.
Oo, bali, Kuya Gerald, kailan tinatag tong Sincerity?
1956 po.
1956. Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mahal Haponesa Vlogs. Samahan niyo ko at puntahan natin ang sikat na binabalik-balikan na kainan sa Binondo. Tara, let's go! Sincerity Restaurant is a well-established Chinese restaurant with a multiple location in Binondo, Manila, and it started in 1956. Our Sincerity Restaurant most popular dishes based on reviews. Our Sincerity Fried Chicken is consistently phrased, it's crispy, juicy, and flavorful. And also fried oyster cake is another mentioned favorite. Also highlight dishes like shredded beef with onion and flavorful unique sauce. At marami kayong pagpipilian guys, like lomi, sincerity chicken, fried oyster cake, kikiam, siomai, at iba pa.
Wow!
Meron din silang sincerity fried rice, fresh lumpia, at chamiswa. The sincerity is proud to have molded someone from the third generation to study culinary arts. Sila Uy Mokoan ay Uy Limbi had a vision of opening a restaurant that served authentic dishes in Manila. At nag-start ang business nila na 600 lang ang puhunan nila guys, na sobrang nakaka-amaze, na napalago nila at naging successful, lalo pat dumadami ang mga branches nila dito sa Pilipinas.
Wow!
At ang food nila ay freshly cooked, na talagang masarap at nakakabusog. Ito na ang order namin guys. Tara, let's eat! Talagang sulit at masarap ang food ng Sincerity at napaka-authentic dishes na talagang babalik-balikan nyo guys. natin ang isa sa empleyado na sincerity, guys. Hello, kuya. Hi to my vlogs. Mahala po Nessa. Ano name mo, kuya?
Gerald po. Gerald.
Oo. Bali, Kuya Gerald, kailan tinatag tong sincerity?
1956 po.
1956. Bali, ano mga bestseller nyo?
Meron po tayong bestseller na Sincerity Fried Chicken,
Mm-mm.
Fried Oyster Cake, Fresh Lumpia.
Oo. Bali, may ask lang ako, kuya. Bakit sa tingin mo, bakit binabalik-balikan tong sincerity?
Dahil po dun sa chicken namin.
Ay,
Napakasarap po kasi.
ayun. Yun nga ang bali-balita, talagang masarap daw talaga.
Opo, ma'am.
Pati oyster cake nyo, di
Opo,
ba?
ma'am.
Oo, yun na lang. Hi, kuya. Hi to my vlog. Shoutout muna tayo, guys. Until my next vlog, guys. See you around. Love you all. Mag-subscribe na kayo kay Mahala Kunesa. Like, comment, and share.